Hi kids, happy Tuesday. I want to make this quick video to let you hear my voice and remind you that you guys are today doing Imagine Math Benchmark is what you're starting on. There are 30 questions total for this test and I want you to do 10 questions a day. So you should not and will not finish this until Thursday. 10 questions today, 10 tomorrow, and 10 on Thursday. So make sure you're following that. And I did that for a quick reason of I don't want you to stress yourself out over it. I want you to take your time on those 10 questions. Then it will pause and you'll refresh for the next day. So I know, Jonathan, you're going to be trying to do it once a day or all of it in one day. I understand that. However, you're going to try your darndest and not do that because I will be checking to make sure you only do 10 questions a day. You will be doing some adding of pictures of your work on Wednesday and Thursday. Today, I just want you to focus on doing the 10 questions and not attaching your work pictures, but tomorrow and Thursday you will be attaching your work from paper. So before you sit down, make sure you have a quiet place to sit where you can focus on the questions you have at hand. Get paper and pencil out so you have scratch paper to work on. I want to remind you also that this is your test, so please make sure you're not getting help from anybody. That defeats the purpose of this test. I don't need to see what mom, dad, sister, brother have to help you with. I want to see your brain and your brain only. So make sure it's on there and you have your own focused area. Let me know what questions you have after or before, but during, I want you to stay focused. No Zoom calls during that time, so don't be getting on Zoom to ask questions on your benchmark. I want you to stay focused on that. Have a good day.